Your Tesla's cameras are vital for autopilot, safety features, and even the Dashcam. Proper calibration ensures accurate environmental perception, preventing issues like false pedestrian detections or erratic braking. Misalignment can occur due to windshield replacements, minor accidents, or even just sensor drift over time. Maintaining calibration keeps your Tesla's advanced systems functioning correctly. The Tesla dashboard alerts owners to calibration needs via notifications like cameras require calibration or autopilot temporarily unavailable. Camera calibration involves adjusting both extrinsic and intrinsic parameters of Tesla's camera system. Extrinsic parameters deal with the camera's position and orientation in space, while intrinsic parameters handle lens characteristics like distortion and focal length. Tesla vehicles are equipped with 8 to 12 cameras, including forward-facing, side, rear, and underbody units, each covering different ranges and angles. The calibration process uses reference targets, or natural landmarks, to compute offsets through computer vision algorithms. Calibration aligns the dashcam view, ensures precise depth mapping for autopilot features, and resets sensors for safety systems after repairs or impacts. Tesla's system relies on neural networks trained on vast datasets to validate camera model accuracy during calibration. Calibration must be performed on a flat surface, in good lighting, with the vehicle stationary. A typical session takes 10 to 30 minutes. Tesla's mobile app version 4.12.0 or later includes a built-in calibration wizard for Model 3, Y, S, and X vehicles manufactured from 2021 onward. To start, open the Tesla mobile app on your phone. Navigate to the Service section in the app. Then select Camera Calibration from the options. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the app. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface with good lighting before starting. The app will guide you through the calibration process, which may involve driving for a short period to gather data. A loading bar indicates progress during this step. App-based tools have improved significantly, with 85% of surveyed owners rating app-guided processes as effective. While the Tesla mobile app handles basic camera adjustments for features like Dashcam, full autopilot, and full self-driving systems require professional calibration to ensure accurate environmental perception and safety. You should seek professional calibration at a Tesla service center if you experience persistent autopilot errors, significant sensor misalignment, or after a major accident that might affect camera positioning. Additionally, if DIY calibration through the app fails to resolve your issues, it's time to schedule professional service. Tesla maintains over 1,500 certified centers worldwide, with particular emphasis on Europe and Asia, to comply with autonomous vehicle safety regulations. Before any calibration, ensure your Tesla is on a level surface. This provides the stable foundation needed for accurate sensor alignment. Next, clean the camera lenses thoroughly. Any dirt or smudges can interfere with the calibration process and affect camera performance. Check your tire pressure according to the specifications on the driver's door sticker. Proper inflation ensures the vehicle sits correctly during calibration. Remove any obstructions around the cameras, such as stickers, mud, or accessories that could block the view. Have your Tesla account login information ready, as the app may require authentication during the process. For professional service, back up your Tesla profile to prevent data loss during the calibration procedure. A Model Y owner in California reported autopilot failures after a windshield swap. Initial DIY calibration via the app failed, but a service center recalibration restored functionality in under an hour. When troubleshooting calibration issues, start by checking the Tesla Motors Club forums for community solutions to common problems. Next, make sure your Tesla software is fully updated, as updates often include fixes for calibration-related bugs. If the mobile app calibration tool fails, try restarting your Tesla to clear any temporary system glitches. For persistent calibration errors that won't resolve, this likely indicates a hardware problem requiring professional service at a Tesla center. As an example, a Model S after a minor accident showed camera misalignment. After professional recalibration, collision avoidance performance improved by 15%. Tesla is moving towards software-driven calibration with AI-assisted auto-calibration in select updates. The vehicle self-adjusts based on driving data, reducing manual resets. The future points to fully autonomous calibration by 2027 using edge computing and 5G. This aligns with broader EV industry trends, potentially reducing service center visits by 20 to 30% by 2030. Tesla partnered with rideshare companies for a pilot where 500 vehicles underwent bulk software calibration, reducing downtime by 40% compared to manual methods. Regular camera checks every 12 months or after any repairs are crucial for safety in Tesla vehicles. Uncalibrated cameras contribute to 5 to 10% of Tesla-related accidents, highlighting the importance of maintaining proper sensor alignment. Be aware of privacy concerns regarding data sharing for calibration. Tesla anonymizes user data in their 2025 updates to protect personal information. Experts emphasize that proper calibration is the foundation of safe autonomy, with 90% of autopilot disengagements linked to sensor misalignment.